Everyone thinks I have hands to grow hair, but they get shocked when I reveal my secret. It was painful losing my hair after 16 years of youthful locks, and believe me girl, I desperately prayed to God for help, but for a while my hair got thinner and thinner, until one day, I finally got my prayers answered, and I'm forever grateful for it, because I was just about to lose myself. Let me tell you about my journey real quick. Since February of 2023, my dreads looked really thin and I felt lost walking around without my thick, fluffy locks. Girl, they were my identity. But the worst part was not understanding why they were gone, which made me blame things out of my control. Things like genetics, age, or hair type. After all, it was what I'd been told by everyone, but something about it felt off. A feeling deep inside me told me there was a solution, and it turned out this feeling was right. Because I discovered something amazing, sis, and I want to tell y'all about it right now. You see, the real reason for sparse edges and bald patches has nothing to do with genetics, age, or hair type. It's actually something far simpler than that. Top Ivy League scientists recently discovered the truth, and they are calling the phenomenon stressed follicles because, just like humans, the follicles can get overwhelmed and stressed, and just like humans, this causes the follicles to shut down, which results in slower hair growth, or worse, no growth at all. This is exactly why my locks of 16 years started thinning, but also how I could get the thick, healthy locks back. I needed to find something that directly combats stressed follicles, and I didn't find a single way to do that, until a recent cosmetic study showed me how. My God, was I shocked to read all about it. See, researchers from Brazil found the key to fight stressed follicles and win. This showed exactly why DIY remedies, medication like minoxidil, and oils like Jamaican castor oil are useless. They don't target the root cause of thinning hair in 2023, and that's a shame, because I know over 11 million sisters out there are suffering from this. But I was thrilled to find something that works, because I finally got back my thick, fluffy locks in only 5 months, and I knew I was onto something good. As a licensed cosmetologist, everyone thinks I have hands to grow hair. But you'll better believe they get shocked when I reveal this cosmetic breakthrough to them, and there's no wonder this information is starting to spread like wildfire. I heard there's thousands of sisters taking advantage of this right now, which is helping them get back the thick, luscious hair from their 20s. Girl, they are walking around in public right now, fully confident in showing off their thick, natural hair, and it makes my heart full of joy, because I honestly know this means the world to them. That's why this proven hair growth remedy is going viral, by beating stressed follicles down to the ground and keeping it there. Now, I only wish to have started my journey sooner, so girl, please don't make the same mistake as me. Click the link below to find out how to get started right now. This is your opportunity to quickly rejuvenate your sparse hair, by following the exact way I succeeded, which is the same way thousands of sisters everywhere have succeeded too. Now it's your time to take advantage of this, so you too can experience the happiness from turning heads on every corner thanks to your new thick, natural hair. Click the Learn More button below right now to find out how.